Guangdong CERRNSS New Energy Technology Company Limited specializes in R&D and marketing of lithium energy storage battery packs. With technical creativity and scientific management, we have established a first-class team, including, but not limited to, engineers, designers, R&D innovators, product managers, quality assurance, and customer service, which are fully engaged in research and development, production, and sales of high-quality lithium battery packs. We keep focusing on the design and development of lithium-ion phosphate batteries, lithium batteries, and energy storage systems, providing global technical support and shipment with CE, RoHS, FCC, UN 38.3, MSDS, and other certificates. Our lithium battery products are widely used in home storage systems, UPS, tower-based stations, medical equipment, communication rooms, power system substations, golf cart, electric motorcycle, RV, and electric tools, etc. As one of the fast-growing companies of experienced battery assembly suppliers in China, we hold such an opinion that creative, energetic, and reliable are our business soul. We will keep moving towards developing products with innovative ideas and breakthrough technologies in the future. And we strive to provide every customer with integrated energy storage solutions. We believe we can supply higher value products and outmatched service to bring the world a better life quality by promoting lithium battery technologies in all applications of our lives. Looking forward to our cooperation in the near future.